DJ here with ACHV, and today we're going to be going through an 18-minute upper body dumbbell workout. So for this workout, we're going to go through 20 exercises in total, no repeats. Our working time is 30 seconds, our break time is 15 seconds, and after every 4 exercises, we'll then take a 30-second extended break. If you like this workout, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and let's get to work. Oh, we got about 20 seconds until we get started with our warm-up. If you have a fitness tracking watch, be sure to start your workout now. Our first exercise we're going to go into is going to be arm circles. So what we're going to do here is have our arms out and then move them in a circle. Nice small circle starting off, moving in to larger circles. Couple seconds. Here we go. So smaller circles, moving in to larger circles. If you want to reverse it, you can. Here we go. I'm gonna reverse mine real quick. You don't have to. Oh yeah, feeling a stretch out. We got chest openers next. So slide bending the elbows, pulling the chest open. When you come across right here, make sure to stretch out the back. Here we go. Warming up. It's bright and early here in Florida. It's just before 6:30 in the morning. Getting to watch the sunrise here. Well, it's cloudy, so there's not much of a sunrise, but that's all right. We got RDLs next, so slide bend in the knees, dropping down, and then we're actually going to bend at the lower back. So we're going to kind of start off with an RDL, move in to a good morning, just stretch out that lower back, warm it up. One more, and then we're going into trunk twist. So trunk twist, feet a little wider, rotating at the core. Nothing crazy here. We're not trying to strain it. Start rotating at the hips, pivoting at the feet. Ooh, rained yesterday, so the wood here on the dock is nice and slippery. All right, arm swings. So we're swinging forwards and backwards here. There we go. Next, we got pull, rotate, and press for our final one. So starting here, we're going to pull up, external rotation, press up, come down, internal rotation, back down. Let's get one more up here. All right, 20-second break. We're going in to rows, double arm rows. Hey, Tucker, what you got, bud? All right, so for this one, slide bend in the knees, bending at the hips, keeping the lower back straight. Chest is going to be out. Palms facing towards the body right here, coming up, back down. Here we go. Up, back down. Up, down. Every time you pull up, exhale. As you come down, inhale. There we go. Nice controlled movements. There we go. All right, we're going into push-ups or chest press. I'll do chest press. Everybody should know how to do push-ups at this point. So, chest press. We're on our back right here. Arms about 45 degrees out from the body. Pressing up, coming down. Pressing up, coming down. Inhale as you bend the arms. Exhale as you extend the arms. Squeeze the chest. Here we go. We're going to go to an alternating reverse grip row here. So this time, our palms are going to be facing away from us. Our elbows are going to stay tucked in to the body here. So right here. So left, right, left, right. We're kind of pulling the dumbbells up and back to our hip back here versus up here. Chest out, head up. Head can also be in a neutral position, but lower back should remain straight. There we go. All right, we got pike push-ups or wide push-ups. Either way, we're all doing push-ups. So, pike push-ups, we're gonna have our butt in the air. Wide push-ups, you're gonna have your hands nice and wide, fingers pointed out a little bit. So for pikes, butt's gonna be up in the air, coming down, up, down, up. If you can't do pike push-ups, you have to do wide push-ups. There we go. 30-second break. We're going in to bicep curls. Get some water if you need. Make some adjustments as needed. I'm just going to use this weight right here. So, for bicep curls, palms are going to be facing out away from us. Curl up, come back down. Whoo, it's going to be a tough one right here. Come on, curling up, coming down. Curling up, coming down. Come on. Push it out. If you need to alternate, you can. Left, then right. Push it out. Let's go. We got one more in us. Oh yeah. All right, we're going in to overhead tricep extension. You may need to drop your weight a little bit on this one. I'm not. So what I'm going to do, bring them up, sit them on the shoulders, get the elbows high. Right here. So push it up, coming down. Up, coming down. There we go. If it begins to get a little heavy and you can sit them on your shoulders, what you can do is drop down at the knees, explode up, control it down. Explode up, control it down. Oh, we got alternating close curls here. Try to use a heavier weight if you can. The same amount you use for bicep curls, maybe even slightly more if you have it. So for these, coming across the body. There we go. So across the body, when you come up, squeeze. Try to get that pinky higher than the thumb right here at supination. Oh yeah. Come up, squeeze. Up, squeeze. We got tricep kickbacks here. We're going with a lighter weight for sure. So I'm gonna drop in 10 pounds for mine on each dumbbell. Bending at the hips, elbows come up to the side, kicking back, back down, back, back down. There we go, come on, push it out. If you need to alternate, you can. There we go. All right, we got alternating high rows coming up, so I'm going to keep this weight, nice light weight. So, because we're going to kind of be working the back and the rear delt coming up here, so we need a super heavy weight. So for these, slide bend in the knees, bending in the hips, back stay straight. When we come up, our arm or elbow is going to be up here. So up here, and then left and right. Should feel it kind of around the shoulder blade, the back of the shoulder. Come on. Push it out. All right, we got good mornings coming up. Again, nice light weight. For these, slide bend the knees, and then we're gonna bend at the lower back. Yes, I said at the lower back. Getting our lower back work in here. So, dropping down nice and slow, up and down, back up. Only go down as far as you can. Maybe you can only come to like here before you're maxed out on your flexibility. Come back up, that's fine. We just want a nice smooth transition from the down to the up. Oh, there we go. Let's get one more. All right, I'm gonna put my weight back on. We got decline chest press here. So we're gonna be on our backs, and then we're gonna get into a glute bridge position. So on our backs, hips up, pressing up, coming down. Pressing up, coming down. Here we go. Keep those hips up. Touch your dumbbells together. Squeeze the chest. There we go. Don't laugh at my lack of flexibility in the hips. Here we go. All right, we're gonna stay right here. You might want to drop the weight a little bit. We're gonna do lying flies. So for this one, hands are gonna be up, slight bend in the elbows, lock that in. And then from here, we're coming out, tapping the elbows, back down. The back of the arms and the elbows should hit, come back. Using the chest to close the hands. There we go. 30 seconds. We got hammer curls. Get some water if you need it. Wipe the sweat. Yes, please. Ten seconds. So, hammer curls. Palms are going to be facing towards each other the entire time. And then coming up and down. Up and down. Here we go. Come on. Oh yeah. There we go, we got drag curls. I'm actually gonna lighten the resistance a little bit for me on the drag curls. If I had more flexibility, I could probably use this weight, but I kind of end up working against myself here. So palms face out away from us. We're gonna drag our hands up the side, kick the elbows back when you get up here, squeeze those biceps and back down. So up, squeeze, back down. Up, squeeze, back down. Here we go. Come on. There we go. Whew. All right, we got lying tricep extension. I'm just going to use this weight right here. Move my water out of the way. So we're going to be on our backs here. Dumbbells are going to be up. And then we're going to bring them down and up. Just kind of tapping over our head, coming back up. Tapping over our head, coming back up. There we go. If it gets too heavy when you're here, just pull the arms down, press up. Come down, drop the elbows, press up. There we go. We're going in to Cobra push-ups or close grip push-ups. here. So Cobra push-ups or close grip push-ups. Hands are closer together. As you come down, the palms are just up under the chest here. Elbows stay tucked in. You want the elbows nice and close to the body. The more you flare the elbows, the more you're going to begin to activate the chest. Cobra push-ups. Same starting position right here, except we're going to push up, leave the hips on the ground. Oh, there we go. With this one, elbows stay close as well. 30 seconds, I'm going into shoulders. Last couple exercises here. So shoulder press up first. So for shoulder press, we're gonna curl them up. Ooh, curl them up. Palms face out away from us here. Here we go. Pressing up, coming down. Pressing up, coming down. What you can do is get a nice, strong base stance right here. And if it gets too tough, what you can do is right here, drop down, explode, slowly lower. Explode, slowly lower. You can also alternate left and right. One more. Oh yeah. All right, we got bent over reverse flies coming up. I'm actually going to drop my resistance down to almost nothing here. I'm going to be at about 15 pounds here. So back straight, and then out, back down. Notice how I slight bend in the elbows, locking that in place. As I come up, I'm not bending the elbows. You can also have your palms facing backwards. So back behind you here, or you can have them facing towards each other. Feel it out, see which one feels best for you. Squeeze. One more. Here we go, got Arnolds. Let me go back to my original weight here. That is not the original weight. So this time we're gonna start palms facing us right here. Push up, come down. So as we push up here, we're rotating the palms out away from us. Right there. So down and towards, up and away. Down and towards, up and away. Here we go. Come on. One more. Here we go. We got lateral raises next. You may want to drop your resistance a little bit. Go back to that bent over reverse fly weight. For these, I'm going to keep this. See how we do. So slight bend in the elbows here. Coming out. Back down. Out. So this is about the max I would want to use. Oh yeah. Come on. If it starts to get too heavy, you can kind of cheat it up. So kind of drop down, muscle it up real fast. Try to let it slowly drop. Here we go. Come on. One more. Here we go. We are finished. Great workout today. Way to push through it. Woo. Arms, shoulders, chest, back, on fire. Hope you guys enjoyed that one. If you did, be sure smash that like button, subscribe to the channel. I'll see you on the next one. See you guys.